Another day, another story. Introduction to Microsoft Power BI Unleashing Data Insights. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Power BI Unleashed with Ashish. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of data visualization and analysis with Microsoft Power BI. If you're ready to turn raw data into meaningful insights, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Segment 1. What is Power BI? So, what exactly is Microsoft Power BI? Well, Power BI is a powerful business analytics tool that lets you visualize your data and share insights across your organization or with the world. It's designed to help you make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. Segment 2. Key features and components. Power BI consists of three main components: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power BI Mobile. Let's take a closer look at each. Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is the authoring and data preparation tool. It allows you to connect to various data sources, transform and model your data, and create stunning visualizations using an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Power BI Service. Power BI Service is the cloud-based platform where you can publish, share, and collaborate on reports and dashboards. It enables you to access your reports from anywhere, on any device, and share them securely with colleagues. Power BI Mobile. Power BI Mobile brings your reports and dashboards to your fingertips, quite literally. It's available on iOS and Android devices, ensuring you're connected to your data even on the go. Segment 3. Data visualization and insights. Now, let's talk about the heart of Power BI creating impactful visualizations and gaining insights from your data. Connect to data sources. Power BI allows you to connect to a wide range of data sources from Excel spreadsheets to cloud-based databases. You can import your data or establish direct connections. Data transformation and modeling. Once connected, you can transform and shape your data using Power Query, a powerful tool for data cleansing and transformation. Power BI's data modeling capabilities allow you to create relationships between tables for more meaningful analysis. Visualizations. The fun part begins when you start creating visualizations. Power BI offers a vast library of charts, graphs, and interactive elements that you can use to represent your data in a compelling way. Dashboards and reports. You can combine your visualizations into interactive dashboards and reports. Dashboards give you an at-a-glance overview, while reports offer more detailed insights. Segment 4. Sharing and collaboration. What good are insights if you can't share them? Power BI makes sharing and collaboration a breeze. Publish to Power BI Service. Once your report or dashboard is ready, you can publish it to the Power BI Service. This allows others to view it online, whether they have Power BI licenses or not. Sharing and collaboration. You can share your reports internally within your organization or externally with clients and partners. You can also collaborate in real time, making it easier to work together on data-driven projects. Segment 5. Conclusion. Host. And there you have it, an introduction to Microsoft Power BI. With its user-friendly interface, powerful data manipulation capabilities, and the ability to turn complex data into actionable insights, Power BI is a game-changer in the world of analytics. Closing. Host. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the world of Microsoft Power BI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more exciting tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring and visualizing your data with Power BI. This is your name, signing off. Background music fades out.